Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. A program for animators, leaders and Salesians was held at the Salesian Provincial House in Bangalore on the 10th of September, organized by the Don Bosco Youth Services in Karnataka under the guidance of Father Uday Kumar, Regional Youth Director of Karnataka. The program, attended by about 100 participants, was opened by Father Sebastian Kudakat, Rector of the Provincial House in Bangalore. Two sessions were then held during the morning. The first, led by the Rector of Don Bosco Mane, Father Prasad, dealt with the theme Youth and Social Action, Challenges and Possibilities, while the second, led by Father Binu Skeria, Professor at Visvadeep, Bangalore, focused on young people and the transformation of self and society. Finally, the third session, Don Bosco, the friend of young people, was held after a time of conviviality and a shared lunch. It was led by Father Jude Arul Anand, current rector of the Don Bosco Nilaya. Finally, the election of the new leaders took place in the afternoon with the assistance of Father Arun George, animator at Don Bosco Hospital. Salesians at the Bosco Lag community located in Munguga, Nganbuyu, an area some 20 kilometers from the city of Goma, handed over the vocational reintegration kit to 60 young people, girls and boys in vulnerable situation on 15 September. This kit delivery comes at the end of the training cycle in cutting and sewing and cosmetic hairstyling at the Vocational Training Center VTC in Bosco Lag. The gift is the part of the AFC 22 project, Supervision of Young and Vulnerable Girls and Boys in Bosco Lag, implemented by the Planning and Development Office of the AFC EST delegation and financed by Don Bosco Mission based in Bonn, Germany. In his address, Father Carlos Balezi Kambumba, SDB, Director of the Office of Planning and Development, AFC EST, expressed the gratitude of the young beneficiaries and the delegation to benefactors and recalled that the training received by the young people will be beneficial to the entire society because they will be able to contribute through their work to the social welfare of the families and the entire community. The ceremony was also attended by Father Pascal Mumbakati, SDB Rector of the Bosco Lag community, and Salesian brother Honorato Alonso, outgoing head of the Bosco Lag Vocational Training Center, who invited the young people to put the knowledge they have acquired to good use and to spread the moral and spiritual values received from the Salesians. On 7 September, on the occasion of Brazil's Independence Day, the Salesian Santa Rosa School, mother house of the Salesians in Brazil, hosted the 13th edition of the Inter-Salesian Games in celebration of its anniversary and the 140th anniversary of the arrival of the first Salesians on Brazilian soil. Various missionary settings in the St. John Bosco province of Brazil Belo Horizonte, BBH, participated in the event, schools, youth centers and parishes. In addition to the children, several educators and physical education coaches were present at the edition of the games, totaling some 810 participants. Also present were the leaders of the Salesian presences in the province, including parish priests, rectors, the provincial, Father Natale Vitali Forti and school principal Paolo Rogedo. The students competed in 5 disciplines: football, futsal, handball, volleyball and basketball. At the end of each day, there were celebrations and moments of relaxation and interaction between the youngsters who were able to meet other members of the Salesian family. 4 young men made their Salesian religious profession on 8 September, Feast of the Nativity of Mary at Kopik, the location of the novitiate for the 4 Polish provinces. Father Bartlomiej Polaski, superior of the Wrocław province PLO, received this profession. The Mass of Profession was celebrated by Superior of the Krakow Province PLS, Father Marcin Kanowski. All 4 newly professed are now in Krakow to begin their philosophical studies. The historic consistory of 25th May 1985, which saw the assignment of 3 red hats to the sons of Don Bosco, also included the then Archbishop of Managua and Primate of Nicaragua, Archbishop Miguel Obando Bravo, a leading figure not only in the local church but for the entire nation, so much so that he was declared national priest for peace and reconciliation by a special law in 2016. Miguel Obando Bravo was born in La Libertad, Nicaragua on 2nd of February 1926 to a peasant family. After attending courses at the Salesian Institute in Granada, he obtained his baccalaureate in Latin and Greek in San Salvador, and after attending the normal school of the same city, he graduated in mathematics, physics and philosophy. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.